You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to add a 1 minute video to your Instagram story. Open your Instagram app and swipe right from your main feed or tap the plus icon next to your profile picture to create a new story. You will see the camera interface. At the bottom, swipe up to open your phone's photo gallery. Browse and select the video clip that you want to share. It must be 60 seconds or less in length to be used as a single story segment. Once selected, the video will load onto the editing screen. If your video is exactly 60 seconds, it will post as one continuous story. If it is shorter, you can use the slider at the bottom to trim its length. You can now customize it by adding text, stickers, drawings, or music using the icons at the top of the screen. When you are ready to share, tap the Your Story button at the bottom left of the screen to publish it immediately for all your followers to see for 24 hours. Alternatively, you can tap the arrow next to your story to also send it to specific friends via direct message. Your 1 minute video is now live as part of your Instagram story. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.